you see him?
What?
The red truck line waiting towards the car!
No!
He's not talking about Billy, is he? Are you okay?
I'm alright, keep going!
Hey, Bouncer! We got a view!
Yeah, I can see it! Alright, I got it! That's no moon! It's a space station!
Debris! We have debris!
Now, come on! Come on! Okay!
They're in the barricades! Oh my god! Oh my god! Melissa, look at this! Take a peek!
No, I
You
don't
can
want
really
to!
feel it with a telephoto lens!
No!
Oh, come on, what's the matter? What's wrong?
You people are all crazy! Do you know that?
What?
Dusty, are you set up? We're not leaving till we get there! She's the craziest one of them all!
Okay, she's almost ready!
Hold on! We're almost there! We're almost there!
Whoa! Stop! This is fine!
Good shit! We gotta get closer! A little closer! Alright, that's close enough.
Okay, hurry! Get the tailgate!
You got it?
Yeah, she's all set! Help me get her down! Hurry!
Let's go!
Hey, we gotta go now! Come on!
We can do this! Come on, come on!
Shit, stuck! Watch it!
Bill!
Get out! Look out! Come on! Hurry! Where'd he go? Where is he?
What's going on? I don't believe this. What the hell?
What does the Doppler say?
The cone of silence.
Bill, Joe, it's over. The thing was stable, and then it's gone.
It's back building!
It's not through yet! You're right, it's back building! We got a jumper here!
Bouncer, it's back building! You gotta track it!
Yeah, Joe, we know data's incomplete. I think you guys should get out of there. You copy?
Bill, help! Bill, help me!
Joe, we should leave!
No.
Forget
Help
the
me!
sensors!
Help me!
We gotta get out of here now!
No!
Get a job!
Bouncer will see it if it drops! If it's anywhere near us,
It's
he'll
not gonna
tell us!
drop anywhere near! It's gonna drop right on us! Ah.
Bill, do this! It's me! Where are you? No! Go back!
Forget it, Joe! Forget it!
Go back! It's not too late! Go back!
Forget it! It's too late!
Help me! Help me!
What are you doing?
Help me!
Joe, the pack's wasted! It's over!
What is wrong with you? We can still do this!
Jesus Christ! Listen to yourself! You're obsessed!
You've never seen what that thing can do, so don't talk to me about it! You've never seen it!